The writing process for sixth graders. In our next slide, writing to a prompt. Now, in this example, you remember this forms that you're starting to work virtually, in which there is information that you have to make corrections from the symbols from this part by placing the numbers. See, you place the numbers and you put them right in here. So you put number 1 or 2 or whatever the number is to be in the mistake. See, in this process it is similar, but here we'll start with a question. For example, why do we have to stay inside? That's the question which you have to answer. Why do you have to stay in your houses? So you have to write, you might say, well, because well, just understand that this is a writing, for example. See, because I could get ill and get this virus that is on the streets and period and so on. See, you write, you write, you write, you write. See, you write, and you send it to the teacher so the teacher can check and show you the mistakes that might exist in your writing, and you have to make your corrections. So it's very similar to the one we had before. Prompt writing has to do directly by developing information, by answering the question that is on the top. Why do we have to stay inside? The second one, is it true that people can die from COVID-19? So you have to answer this. What do you think? What is your opinion? Is it true? Or do you think that the television exaggerates, or is the fault of the president, or somebody is just giving fake news? What do you think? So you write about it here in the same way, and you send it to the teacher so that she can check. That is our writing to a prompt. See, it says you might be writing to a prompt. See, writing to a prompt. To a prompt. You might be writing to a prompt in class and on tests. A prompt asks a questions. When you write to the prompt, answer all the parts of the question. See, so answer, write, and give your opinion about.